Let's start sketching the poinsettia flower. You can start with a light pencil sketch using a hard graphite pencil, but I'm using erasable colored pencils just so you can hopefully see it a little better and I can still erase the mistakes later, which is the point of making a sketch anyway. Sketch out the rough shapes first. I see triangles in the photo, and then the placement and shapes of the leaves. Then you can draw the outlines of the leaves with a softer pencil, like an HB, and erase as much of the initial sketch as possible to make it look neat. At this point, I'm going to turn the reference photo black and white or grayscale to see the values easier. I'm using a hard pencil for kind of coloring in the red petals, which aren't actually petals. They're modified leaves called bracts. But in the grayscale photo, they look lighter gray, and then the actual green leaves are darker. So I'm using HB for coloring in the leaves below, but leaving the center leaf vein white. But either way, I'm dividing the leaf down the middle and coloring in each side separately. Now in the photo, the lightest areas are the little flowers or flower buds in the middle, and the darkest areas are the shading around them. So I'm using a softer pencil like 4B for shading in between those little flowers and the bracts in the center. Now in the bracts, the leaf veins are the darker parts, so I'm using a softer pencil for drawing them out and adding some shading and wrinkles on them. In the actual leaves underneath, the leaf veins are lighter, so I'm using the eraser end of a mechanical pencil to carve them out. When you rest your hand on the drawing, you'll end up smudging the drawing, so you might want to put an extra piece of paper in between to prevent that, which I of course forgot to do, and then had to erase a bunch of smudges from the background. The leaves didn't really look dark enough to me compared to the modified leaves above them, so I colored them some more with a softer pencil in between the white leaf veins. Let's add darker outlines and shading under the bracts and leaves to really make them pop, and I think it's starting to look like a poinsettia now. But how about drawing another Christmas flower next? Here's a video about how to draw Christmas rose or hellebore. See you there? Hellebore, 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 hellebore.